What is up, YouTube? Right now it's like 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Joey just got here and we're working on Teggy, then we're gonna go out and try fixing the AC in the minivan.
This is copyright, dude. Am I good?
Yeah, you're good. Alright, do I have to license your exhaust note? Is your exhaust copyrighted?
Yes.
There's a cop down there.
Where?
Look, I can see his lights, they're flashing. He's gonna get you. He's gonna get you.
I'm gonna get him.
Ah! Guys made an invention. It's called the umbrella seat.
Now I won't be dying in the heat while David works on his car.
So right now, we're in Teggy right now. She sounds really good, no leaks, not smelling funny or anything. And we're heading to AutoZone right now to pick up an AC compressor relay for the minivan. And hopefully that fixes the AC because it is hot.
If you're thinking about buying this car, just know, you ever just been out to Wawa and you're like, crap, I don't know where to put my mac and cheese. Well, here you go. This headrest is the perfect spot for mac and cheese. Oh my god, David! Except when you hit your head back on it. That's how you get it out. Like, David, I want some mac and cheese. Can you help me out?
Like when you have a bad downshift and you're like...
Super sturdy. And now you have mac and cheese.
No!
Alright, we are back. And we're gonna test out this little thing. Hopefully it works. So, looks like that is the relay for it. So that means it's this one here. I can't get it out. Okay.
Yeah, I watched the video. These kids put they did a
Okay,
oil
hopefully
change.
this works.
They took out all the oil and they put WD-40 in. Go
Oh, I
watch the
saw
video
that.
on Life OD. Great channel. Hey, what's up? It's a nice Honda Odyssey.
Thanks.
It works.
Hey, I'm gonna just try this. Let's see if maybe it just needs some refrigerant in the system. So, this has to connect to our low pressure, right? And this, we just clip on to here. Okay, so once that's on, you pull the trigger, and you just tilt it back and forth, keep it flowing, and every once in a while let go, and you'll see where the pressure's at.
That's so much
This
better.
air is so much colder.
Oh my god.
I'm so happy it works.
I'm so happy too.
Alright, I'm like so happy that it works because we spent hours and hours driving this thing around.
Hours and hours of traffic.
In traffic, yes, she's right, in traffic, driving with no AC in the blistering sun. Oh, this is like the best thing ever. So, I'm actually like excited to drive this.
No, I know. And by the time you got to like a really important event, you were soaking wet. And it was like,
hold on.
smelled bad.
My underwear is soaking. I'm not gonna show you guys my underwear. My underwear is like soaking wet, like visibly wet. That's how bad it is with the leather seats.
Yeah, and the angle of like the windshield, all the sun just gets in the car.
So I just got back from filling up gas, and both of these people are looking at cars. Hannah Ray has a reason to look at cars. Joey, I don't know why you're looking at cars. You want to?
Dude, look at this thing.
Looking at cars.
Look at this thing. Bro, it has a stroker
Oh, it's
kit.
pretty good looking.
It has 900 horsepower. Bro.
All right, what are you looking at?
Honda Accords. I need better gas mileage.
They're like, because I wear them so much.
I can pull back.
All right, Annalise is here, and they're gonna wash their cars while Ray and I do stuff in the back.
Yeah.
All right, so what are we doing?
Getting them set for washing cars, and then we're gonna hang up lights on the treehouse.
Okay, we need to get the hose for them, and then the soap and
Get the
everything.
hose.
And the hose.
Car number 1, washed, polished, and kind of detailed. The tire shine already soaked into the tires. I can barely tell.
That's what tire shine does, David.
It actually looks a lot better. You could like tell it has more of a shine to it with the polish. All right, what are the girls up to?
Oh wait, it's not. Or hammer.
Lis, do you know how to use a hammer?
Not against that.
Oh my gosh.
I can't believe in this whole time they built a tree house.
Wow, they built it. You guys just built a treehouse?
From scratch.
Crazy.
But that's wood.
I bent it. That thing.
Lee's bent a nail. That's how strong she is.
You bent a nail? Let me see. Let me see your-
a nail.
Okay, try again.
All right,
I really
so-
want you to master this.
This is really
So-
scary for me.
We're
Make it a
hanging.
little
We're hanging these lights here,
Why?
so that way when we
'Cause
have
it-
fires
that
at night,
hole's already,
we're
like,
gonna
you know?
have some cool lights to go along with it.
We're
Lisa, you
improvising.
scared of this?
We're improvising because Mr. Lundy bought us screw like hooks and it was too hard to go in there, so we're just nailing it.
I'm so scared.
It's just
Do you like it?
Are you not nailing
I do like it. Yeah, I like it lower than higher.
No, but then you just.
Okay, we just moved on to Joey's car. Joey, I want to get this blue Super Radiant. Spray
Here,
it.
spray it.
Spray it.
everything?
No, just the
Look at that shine.
Oh! Just don't get too close.
Dude, it feels so nice. All right, I gotta do the roof. I gotta finish the roof.
Thank you, homie. Because I'm too short.
Okay, so we're all done washing the cars, and now we're going to do a photo shoot. And we're stopping at Quick Check and meeting a buddy there. What's up? What's up, dude?
What's up?
What's up? All right, we're doing a shoot with both of them.
The lights on. Dude, look. Okay. Do a rev off.
Give it a little rev. Look at this bush. Look at the bush. Ready? Dude, it sounds so good. Okay, Joey. All right, Joey. His car idles so much louder.
My car's stopped.
His is just straight pipe. That's it. It has a valve.
My car's
Go. His is louder. It's a little more piercing. Okay, so for this shoot, what we're gonna do is I'm having them back up against the wall right out here. And then I am going to get these. I'm gonna put some uplights in there and have like glowing cubes. And then I'm gonna place them around the cars.
Is Gonzalez coming?
I can't even see you.
It's okay. I got this. Ready?
It's usually
Ready?
he's coming or he's not.
Oh my gosh, yeah, you should be my lighting girl.
What do you need me to light?
I'm not really filming much right now. Gennaro showed up with the beast.
Alright, so this is our setup here. We have cube light, two cube lights on the outside and then one in the middle on the inside. And then I'm going through. Joey, turn your headlights on. Good. Gennaro, Gio just got here.
That's stock
So, taking some pictures here. Here's some that I took before. So I did this one, a super bright one, and then an even brighter one. So I'm gonna take these and into Photoshop, and then I'm gonna overlay them and do like an HDR kind of thing. I'm gonna get one more with the headlights, just so I could add that in there as well. So I'm moving on to the solo shots now. So Joey's moving his car over so it's more centered. There's no light. Oh,
Lighting
nice. Thank you.
compliments of
Thank
Annalise.
you.
I got you.
So now we're gonna go through, do solo shots. We're gonna do Joey, Chuck, Henry, me,
Hannah, right?
Gennaro,
That's cool. I didn't want a picture.
Betsy.
No, we gotta take pictures for Lise too.
I just want one picture.
I just want to drive in it again.
Oh my god.
Tell me about the Camaro.
Camaro.
The Camaro. Tell
That
me.
was really scary, to be honest.
It was scary?
Yeah.
You don't think that was fun?
I didn't like the back. It just, yeah.
You want me
Okay.
to take you right now in the front?
No, because I don't want to die again.
Again?
I just felt like
You're a vampire?
my hair feels like I just got off a roller coaster.
This thing
It looks
will
good.
fall off.
David's so good at what he does. He doesn't know it though.
It'll be around like that.
He's really yellow.
Thanks.
These are like professional car photos. Guys, book David Lundy today. or ethanol feed. If you didn't know, it's the same person.
Yeah.
This Camaro is crazy. Somebody buy me one. Let's start a GoFundMe account.
Right, if I had
so me
money-
and Annalise can share one.
If I had money, I would buy you one, and I would buy me one. You don't have to share.
This is crazy.
The fact that he put on a song to go 2 feet.
That smoke there is from a burnout that G did before he left.
He threw thousands of rocks into my back bumper, and he will be paying for it.
Why is it? It's not gonna have
Check
a
this out.
eyedropper yet.
This is sick. Okay, so I'm finally taking pictures of my own car. I don't think I've actually ever taken pictures of Teggy before, like during a shoot. So this is gonna be a first. Alright, so we're done with the shoot, wrapping up, and we're putting everything back right now, and that's pretty much it for the night. So I'm gonna say goodbye now, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.